So how's it going, fellow pyros? I did some shopping a couple of weeks ago, and I was finally adding it to my stash. I wanted to do another video updating my stash. Made a couple of stops at Shelton Fireworks. I bought some smiley face shells, some Premier shells from Dominator. Here's some from Mad Hornet. Bought some Red Devil TNT. There's two of them. Some Mad Hornets, some bangs. They got some firecrackers. It's for Phantom. It came in a box. Got your triple brakes. Got some critically acclaimed. Two Strobe Spectaculars. Little 100 shot Saturn battery. Air defense. Little crackling comets. Got 4 boxes of X-Cals. If you notice, if you shop at Phantom, they have the new boxes of X-Cals actually have blue chrysanthemum in them, which the older boxes don't. Got 2 locked and loadeds. They're still not as good as the X-Cals, but Live Free and Dies fan. Got my 3 Wild West. 2 Phantasm 2s. Pretty good. They're loud. Assorted 500 single shots. 2 new products that Phantom just got. Bold colors. I haven't seen them, but I've seen video of them. They look pretty good. That's your Mega Mojo, Reign of Fire Premier, the Essence of Fire, Countdown Finale, Phantom Strike, the Silver Sonic Warhead, six little assortment of single shots. You got a fire. 2 New York's Salute finales. They're just a mimic of hydrogen bombs. Got a value pack of. That's a Final Countdown, a 500 gram, and a Phantom Strike 500 gram. That's your 286 shot missile battery, Mata Cocktail, Reign of Fire, Shagadelic Mojos. Got your hydro trajectory shells of copperheads. Got some double brakes. This was just something free that I got, being a Premier member. Your Ultimate 4th shell show. And right here is the Fendemonium. It's 205 Shot Brigade. I know a lot of y'all like the Amazing Ballet. It's almost pretty much the exact same thing. Just it's missing a couple of shots out of it. Well, this is my updated stash video. I have more product in a different location that I'll be adding before the 4th. You'll probably see it another week or 2. But here's go. Leave your comments.